Go. I'll keep going until you get the next frame.
Okay.
Until you know.
It was a good
You want me
try,
to do
though.
it again?
Yes.
Only this time I'm gonna spare.
That sucked.
No one asked you.
I'm sorry.
Constructive criticism, Jacob.
Okay.
It could have been much better.
I'm gonna use a different bow.
What about that?
Use the light one.
I'm gonna use this one.
Oh yeah, use the light one.
Oh yeah, that's way
Come on.
Hey, you're gonna get one.